currently doing job in corporate sector and software sector since last 3 years.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's great.
Yes.
So,
And how about you? What do you do?
how long you have been working over there in that sector?
Yeah, since last 2 years I am working, and before that I did 5 months of internship.
Oh, that's great.
Currently I am working from home, like no need to go office.
Okay.
Yeah, since last 2 years I'm working from home because of Corona virus. Still Corona gone, but yeah, work from home is there. No need to go office. Yeah.
Great.
So
No doubt his communication skill and talking way is so different, right?
yeah. So that's the reason. And apart from Ranveer Alapati, I follow Joey Rogan. Means I do listen, not follow Joey Rogan, because Ranveer Alapati itself, he and lots of podcasters also like they know about this Joey Rogan.
That's great. Nice.
Yeah.
Actually,
So
actually
I
problem
do
is that
listen lots of.
yes, actually India is having lots of languages, right?
Yeah, we have lots of languages, lots of cultures. Due to lots of culture, we have lots of in every state we have lots of languages.
I think this thing happened only in India.
Yeah, these things like is in India only, not like here, because they in other state like other country they don't have a culture like India. They don't have like a lot of religious people, so that's the reason.
Right. Actually, they only celebrate that Christmas Day, I think, mostly.
Yeah. Christmas Day, because I'm working in a US-based company, so like we don't have holiday for Diwali, special holiday, and for like Independence Day also for our, but for their Independence Day we have holiday. Yeah, but we can take like a holiday, especially for Diwali.
If I talk about in India, there are lots of festivals and lots of holidays.
Right, yeah.
Some
So
national holidays, religion holidays, means many holidays. So
many holidays, and if a company started to doing like a leave for each and every holiday, so a company will not
do you get your holiday? Do you get your holiday? If any
holiday
special,
yeah, but get a holiday, but not for company specific holiday. There is not a company, because I already told that I'm working with a US company, so there is not a company. But yeah, I can get a holiday like the company every year. Yeah, you were asking something. Sorry.
Means no doubt at all. Just no any restrictions about your work and no any foundation to your timing with this company.
Right. Yeah, right.
That's great.
Yeah, and I do listen apart from this like LinkedIn. I have LinkedIn premium membership, so there on LinkedIn there are lots of business associate, business financial, very expert people. So they have videos like on a brand management. So if anybody wanted to be good in marketing, selling, so this kind of like videos are there on LinkedIn premium membership. So yeah. So I try to watch those things. They have good communication skill, and on LinkedIn, like there is a course, not a course. They having a video based on communication skills.
Yes.
Yeah, like if you learn the things every day on a daily basis, so you will get lots of knowledge about those things.
Actually, as far as my perspective, every language depends on your practice and your atmosphere as well, right?
Yes, right. It depends on those things.
If I talk about our mother tongue, so how we learn, right?
Right. We started to learn like from childhood. If so by listening you can say.
By listening.
More listening.
Right. Totally.
Yeah, so listening is very important. If anybody wanted to like at least give some time to listening, and whatever word are you listening on a daily basis, and sentences, just try to use those sentences and a word while speaking. Yeah.
Absolutely. So right now you are working?
Yeah, currently I am sending some mails to my company for 2 days work to my team. just I am sending to them mail. So when they like started to doing work after 9, so they will check first my mail.
So I
and
think I
they will
think I
start
think
it.
I think there's no any timing. Means if you get chance and if you get to work, then you do. Right?
Yeah. Currently, I'm working from home, so there is no time, specific time. So but for meeting and other things, if like for a client meeting and other things, there is specific time. In those time only, I can take a client meeting and I can speak with the clients. But for like this kind of work, for mailing, for coding, because I'm a software developer, I do coding.
Oh, great. So I think you know very well all the languages like PHP, CSS, SQL, .NET like that. JavaScript.
Means not each and every language, but I do know Java. I know JavaScript. I know Python because I worked on those language. By using this language, I made a project. Yeah, in a real time in a company, so I know about this language. But .NET, C++, I know basic, but not like I didn't use it in my project and in my company.
Okay, that's good. So when did you complete your schooling?
I completed my graduation in 2018.
Oh.
Yeah, means 2018. Sorry.
That's great.
Yeah, after that I started to do job. Yeah.
So.
And how many years of experience do you have in teaching?
Oh, actually, if I talk about my teaching experience, so that is 10 years.
Okay, 10 years. It's a good experience. It's means well experience.
Yeah.
It is good. Yeah, right. I am also before 6 months I was like a tutor on an academy. If you know about an academy.
I know.
Right. Yeah. So I do teach their programming only, Java and data structure and algorithm. I was a tutor. But I left that job because of my work-life balance. So that's the reason.
Right.
I left, but it was a nice experience while teaching in an academy. I completed their one batch. After that, I told them strictly that I am I have to leave. I will not continue again. So they told me. So they asked me to if you want to join again anytime or so you can come. Okay. So I told them yeah, definitely.
Okay.
Yeah.
So according to you, means what a thing we can't recycle again?
Recycle again. Means you are asking in terms of like a career opportunity or what? I didn't understand question.
Yes, about our life.
Okay, about life. What recycle again? Time.
Absolutely. No doubt. You got it.
Right.
Absolutely.
Time. We can recycle everything. Means we can, but there is only one specific thing. That time we can't recycle again.
Absolutely.
Yeah. If anybody marriage and divorce, after that divorce also he can get married. Right? If anybody currently don't have a job, after that have a job, and after that don't have a job, but again he can get a job.
Absolutely.
If anybody currently not happy and then again not happy, but again that person can be happy. So everything can recycle. But this is only things that we can't get recycled. That is time.
That is time. Absolutely.
What do you think?
Same here. I knew it, you know very well. I knew it.
Yes. Yes, right. Yeah. If anybody.
Are you married person? Are you married?
No, not married. Yeah, but in the next year I will think because my family told me that you should get married.
Oh, great! So in advance, congratulations to you.
Yeah, thank you. Because okay. Okay. Instead of give me congratulations that you don't get married.
No. Actually, could you share with me what kind of girls you want as a wife?
Yeah, because I like about these things Yeah, because
Mm-hmm.
till now, like I have like a 2-3 in my college
Mm-hmm.
girlfriend. So yeah,
Okay.
but they are like very means rude kind of personality.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, both the three.
Okay.
Yeah, so like, but still like, yeah, I mean, if I want currently, so I want like this, like they don't have dumb first thing.
One thing is not similar. Means nature.
Okay. Yeah. Nature is not
Means
similar.
everyone
So
has a different type of nature.
yeah, different types of nature. But first thing, I can accept rude behavior.
Hmm.
Okay, not a problem. But I don't want dumb things. Yeah. I can
Absolutely.
miss accept rude behavior. I want some modern kind of things, not like Indian we are like we can see in India
Hmm.
like
Hmm.
lots of not that kind of things like hello ji aji
Oh.
soji no not like that. Yeah.
Oh, great.
Yeah, but just a little bit modern, not that too much modern. That
Absolutely. Because our culture
uh,
not allowed
our
to do this thing.
culture,
Yeah.
our culture not allowed, our family is not allowed. So that's
Absolutely.
why little bit modern, not like that wearing half pant and go in market.
Yes. Actually, we have to go for means according to modern is, but not too much, right?
Not too much. Yes, right. Not too much. Yeah, because our culture is different. But nowadays, like because of these videos, YouTube videos, you can see social media. Nowadays, women not listening to anyone. They are not listening to their family also.
Right.
Currently, what is the situation? Especially India, like boys are on a good track as compared to women.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. No.
Boys on a good track because everyone blaming to student and
Student.